How to fix iPhone battery draining too fast. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Is your iPhone battery dying way too fast? You charge it to 100% and few hours later it's already low? Then I'll show you the best ways to fix iPhone battery drain and make your battery last much longer. First, go to settings and then go to battery and then go to battery health and charging. And if your maximum capacity is below 80%, your battery may need replacement. And also toggle on optimize battery charging. Then come back and also check if low power mode is enabled. Turning it on can immediately improve battery life. Similarly, come back, head over to display and brightness, and then you can lower the brightness manually. And you can also switch to dark mode because this also saves battery. And then you can come back and go to general, go to background app refresh, and if this is on, make sure that you turn it off as well. And sometimes battery drain is also caused by software bugs, so come back and then go to software update and install the latest iOS version if available, because Apple often fixes battery problems in updates. So I hope one of the solution helps you out. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.